Students coming in.
With the untamed science of entertainment.
We work from a clubhouse in a tree.
Exploring our world and its mysteries. Lifelong learning, discovery. Untamed science. Go adventuring.
Got one coming in.
Hi, my name's Wally. I was wondering, what good's a seed?
Alrighty, let's answer this. Danny, what do you have?
Well, seeds are a part of the life cycle of plants. Seeds are a product of plant reproduction, and they help plants spread to new places.
Yep, and here's the whole life cycle. When a seed germinates and starts to grow, it becomes a seedling. And these small plants get bigger and bigger. In plants that grow flowers, some organs are male and some are female. And when pollen from one plant meets the female parts of another plant, it fertilizes an egg. And the fruit develops around what was the egg, which is now becoming another seed. You know, it's an endless cycle.
Ooh, speaking of plant life cycles, check out what Haley's up to.
Hey everybody, I'm over here. Look, I just found a wild banana tree. Look what it makes, little wild bananas, and they are full of these tiny seeds. Now they don't look much like the ones we eat, do they? So I'm wondering what would happen if I planted one of these tiny wild banana seeds. Let's find out, come on.
Turns out, a planted banana seed will slowly grow into a tiny banana seedling.
And eventually, that little seedling will grow into another wild banana tree. Cool. Well, back to you at the clubhouse.
Jonas, you ready?
Yeah, Rob, I'm ready. Did you know that you can do your own experiment to see how a seed is a part of a plant's life cycle? It's true. First, you get a seed, like these bean seeds that I got from our garden out front just a few weeks ago. And next, get a small pot. And we like to use recycled objects from the house, like this plastic container. And then poke some holes in the bottom for drainage. But be careful when you do this so you don't hurt yourself, and ask an adult to help you.
Put the container on a plate and fill it up with planting soil.
All I have to do now is put the seeds in. And then water it every day and see what happens. And this is how big it is after just a few weeks. But I wonder if there's another way we can explain this.
Annual, perennial, biennial. The life cycle of plants. We watch them grow from tiny seeds in every circumstance. A little water helps the seed to germinate into a seedling. A root and a shoot both form while nature waits. And then the seed that was so small, protected by its coated wall, contains everything that seed will need to grow. Then come the bees, and then the birds. Pollination has just occurred. They're attracted to the fruit around the seed. And that tiny little seed is now a tree.
So we learned that seeds are really important because they're part of the life cycle in plants.
That's right, and remember, a plant life cycle not only involves a seed, but almost always seedlings, big plants, flowers, and fruits.
And really, all are just as important as the others.
So never stop exploring your world.